Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create account on Airbnb. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create account on Airbnb. Maybe because you're moving out to another country, or maybe you're just planning to go on a vacation or a trip. So you're looking for a place and you heard a lot about this Airbnb, so you just want to give it a try. Or there could be any other reason for you to create account on Airbnb. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Airbnb app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how it looks. First, you will need the title of sign in or sign up. First, it will ask you to create your account with the help of any other email address or maybe your contact number. So if you want to go with your contact number, but first you have to select the country in which you live. Otherwise, you can use any other email, Apple ID, Google, or Facebook. But if you're using your phone number or contact number, then first you have to select your country in which you live, and after that you have to enter your contact number. Once you have entered your contact number or your email address, you have to click on this option, which is continue. Here I am going with the Apple ID, but you can choose any other option of your choice, which is more preferable for you. You can go with that option. Just simply tap onto this. Once you have selected your contact number or your email address, then it will take you here. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter your first name, second name, and then after that you have to enter your birthday. In birthday, first you have to select the date, and after that you have to select the month, and after that you have to select the year in which you were born. Make sure you are more than 18 plus, because if you're under 18 it will not allow you to create account on this app, so you have to keep that in mind. After that, once you're done with all these things, just simply click on this option, agree, and after that it will take you to the next step. And once you have done with all these things, it will just take a while to load, and after that it will again ask you for some of the question. You may allow it or you can decline it. It's all up to you. Whatever the option, you can go with it. It will not mark any negative effect while you're creating your account on it. So once you're done with it, it will just take a while, and after that it will ask you for notification. You may allow it or you may skip this option, and after that your account will be created. Now you can look for places, you can find places, or if you have your own places, then you can list them and can put them on rent. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create account on Airbnb. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.